Hello everyone, I have got the request to make the video on probability for year 7 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Probability scale. First we will understand what is the meaning of events here. Rolling an odd number on a dice or winning a football match are examples of events. Events can have a number of different outcomes. If you throw a dice, you will get the numbers from 1 to 6. So all these are called your outcomes. These outcomes are your events. If you throw a coin, your outcomes will be head or tail. This is also your event. Let's see what is the probability meaning. Use a number line between 0 to 1 to represent the likelihood that an event will happen. This number is called a probability. So if you want to pick a number between 0 and 1, that number will be in fraction. Your probability is shown in terms of a fraction. If we have to represent any probability, we have to show it between 0 and 1 only. An event that is certain to happen has a probability of 1. If it is 100% sure that the event is going to happen, then the probability is 1. An outcome that is impossible has a probability of 0. If you think that that event cannot happen at all, that means the probability is 0. We will see the probability scale right now. Your scale varies from 0 to 1. 0 is completely impossible. 1 is certain. In between, half is even chance. In between impossible and even chance, the middle is unlikely. Even chance and certain. The middle one is likely chance. We write a probability as a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. For example, an even chance means a probability of 0.5 in the decimal form, half is in the form of a fraction, and 50% in the form of a percentage. Let's see one example here. Tigers and Lions are two football teams. The probability that Tigers will win their next match is 45%. The probability that Lions will win their next match is 4 by 5. Which team is more likely to win their next match? Give a reason for your answer. Show each team's probability of winning on a probability scale. I need to show that which team is more likely to win. But in my case, the probability of Tigers is given in the percentage form. The probability of Lions is given in the fraction form. I will convert this fraction into percentages, then I am only able to compare the percentages. Let's write this fraction in the form of a percentage here. 4 by 5. If I have to write down in the percentage form, this will be written as 100 times 100. I multiplied it and divided. This will be written as 4 over 5 times 100%, because the percent meaning is 1 over 100. That is the meaning of percentage. I need to solve this. Let's solve this here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 0. This will be 20 here. 20 times 4 is 80%. The probability of Lions is 80%. So the Lions are more likely to win because 80% is more than 45%. I need to show now the probability of winning on a probability scale. If I mark the line in tens, it is easy for me to put the events. That means 0 to 1 has been divided into 10 equal parts. Let's do it here. This is 0 and this is 1. I have divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 parts. The first part will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1. I need to show 80% and 45%. Let's write down in the decimal form first. 80% is written as 80 over 100 because as I told you, percentage is 1 over 100. Let's cancel 1 0 here. This will be 8 over 10, which will be written as 8, 0.8. After one digit, I have to put the decimal. So this is my first digit and after that I had put my decimal. Let's convert 45% here. 45% is written as 45 over 100. I cannot cancel this because I have to put the decimal here. After two digit, I have to put the decimal. Let's write down here 45 first. and after 2 digit means 1 and 2. After that I have to put the decimal. Let's put the decimal here and 0 here. This will be written as 0.45. Let's mark these decimals on the probability scale here. This will be 0.4 and this will be 0.5. The middle is 0.45 for the Tigers win. Let's draw that here for the Tigers win. This is 0.45. Now let's mark the Lions win here. Lions mill is 0.8. So this is my marking for 0.8 for Lions win on the probability scale. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.